Hi students, today we are going to learn the adjectives. What is meant by adjectives? Adjectives means it describes about a noun or a pronoun, which means it can tell about a color, shape, size, okay, number like that. Okay, now we are going to learn about the descriptive adjectives. What is meant by descriptive adjectives? It is adjectives that refer to an individual members of a group. There is one group, for whole the group we are giving one instruction for each and every one. ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒரு குரூப்ல இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் நம்ம கொடுக்கிற மெசேஜ் வந்து distributive adjective. Okay, see here, used with singular nouns. It is take a singular noun. So a singular noun means for each and every one person in whole group, each person in whole group, right? See here, there are four words for distributive adjectives. What are they? Each, every, either, neither. What are the words? Each, every, neither, either. Okay, each means single condition is applied to everyone in a group. ஒரு குரூப்ல உள்ள எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரே ஒரு கண்டிஷன். ஓகே, single condition, ஒரு command, ஒரு order. Okay, we give to everyone in a group. ஒரு குரூப்ல உள்ள எல்லாத்துக்கும் நம்ம கொடுக்கிறது. Next one, every and each also little bit same. Okay, each member of a group without exception. அதே இதை தான் கொஞ்சம் வித்தியாசமாக சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இது அந்த குரூப்பில் உள்ள எல்லாத்துக்கும் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இதில் எப்படி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? ஈச் மெம்பர் ஆஃப் எ குரூப் வித்தவுட் எக்ஸப்ஷன். அதாவது குரூப்பில் உள்ள எல்லாத்துக்கும் உண்டு, யாருக்குமே இல்லைன்னு கிடையாது, எக்ஸப்ஷனே கிடையாது, குரூப்பில் உள்ள எல்லாத்துக்கும் உண்டு. ஸோ போத் ஆர் த சேம் மீனிங். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், எய்தர், ஒன் ஆர் அதர் பிட்வீன் டூ ஆப்ஷன்ஸ். எய்தர் மீன்ஸ் இது அல்லது அது. ஆர், we can use the word or, right? So like that, either means like or, இது அல்லது அது, one or other between two options, ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன்ல ஏதாவது ஒன்று. ஓகே, neither, none of the options listed. neither னா அந்த லிஸ்ட்ல உள்ள எதுவும் கிடையாது, neither. Okay, now let me move to the exercise. Okay, we learn about the distributive adjectives. It is for the group instruction giving to the each person. Each and every has the same meaning, and we learn about the either and neither. Either is for the list of two and neither is for the list of none. Okay, and now let me move to the page number 10. See here, underline the distributive adjectives in the sentences below. Okay, what is the word here in the first sentence? What is this word find there? Yes, neither. So underline the word neither. And the second, every. Very good. Third one, it is easy to find. Find fast. Third one, either. And the fourth, each. And the fifth one, every. And the sixth one, every. Very good. Next, we are moving to the next one. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct distributive adjective from the box. From the box, we want to write, dash patient wants to see the doctor. எல்லா பேஷண்ட்டுக்கும் டாக்டரை பார்க்கணும். Which word we can use? Every patient. So what is the answer? Every. Next one, dash boy in the school has to wear a blue tie on Saturday. Dash boy in the school has to wear a blue tie on Saturday. Saturday அன்னைக்கு blue tie தான் wear பண்ணணும் எல்லாரும். ஓகே, எல்லாருங்கும்போது ஈச்சும் போடலாம், எவ்ரியும் போடலாம். We can use both the word each or every. Okay, next one, dash nation must work for peace. Which is the word come here? Every nation. எல்லா நேஷனும் peace காண்டி work பண்ணணும். Peace means அமைதி காண்டி. Okay, next one, dash book is the book in the Harry Potter series is excellent. எந்த புக்கில்? இந்த புக்கில்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, ஈச் புக், எல்லா புக்லையும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், டான்ஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஷுட் கேரி தேர் ஓன் பேக்ஸ். அவங்கவுங்க பேக்கை அவங்கவுங்க தான் தூக்கணும். வாட் வி கேன் யூஸ்? ஈச் ஆல்சோ வி கேன் யூஸ், எவ்ரி ஆல்சோ வி கேன் யூஸ். போத் ஆர் ரைட் ஆன்சர்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஐடென்டிஃபை த எரர்ஸ் இஃப் எனி இன் த யூஸ் ஆஃப் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் அட்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ் இன் த ஃபாலோயிங் சென்டென்சஸ். ரீரைட் த சென்டென்சஸ் கரெக்ட்லி. ஈச் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கெட்ஸ் எ ஃப்ரீ புக். See, which is the word here? each. Each is correct. So you just underline and leave. Next one. Next, neither orphan child needs care and support. Neither means none. None orphan. Orphan means what we can say, another illam. Okay, another children, another child. Okay, orphan child needs care and support. What we can use here? What word we can use? Every. Neither will not come. Every. So cut down that neither. Right? Every. ஒவ்வொரு அனாதை குழந்தைங்களுக்கும் ஒரு கேரும் வேணும், ஒரு சப்போர்ட்டும் வேணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். எவ்ரி ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஆன்சர்ஸ் இஸ் கரெக்ட். We can say everyone answer correct. No. How we can say? Each. ஒவ்வொருத்தரா பார்த்து then we can say yes, yours right, yours right, yours right. Each one is correct. So every is wrong. No exception is there. So each. Okay, each one. In a group we are telling about the each person. Okay, now they gave a pen to either boy. Either means there we want to absent. Yes, two option must be there, but there is no option. So each. Cut down either and write each. Either cut down and write each. Next one. Neither student has to wear the uniform. Neither student means none. No one want to wear the uniform. Like that no one will say. So which is the answer? Each student. Everyone should wear the uniform. Each student should wear the uniform. So which is the answer? Each. Okay. Now let me move to the next topic. Irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives. What is meant by irregular adjectives? Regular, there is two types, regular adjectives and irregular adjectives. Regular adjectives means already we know it describes about a noun or a pronoun, which means it can talk about the shape, size, color, number. Yes, so it is adjective. Regular adjective means we can change it into comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, degrees of comparison we learned right in the 3rd standard, which means if there is a word small means we can change it into a smaller. We can add er and smallest. Next one we can take smallest. Then we add est for superlative degree. It is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Yes, we learn in the degrees of comparison, right? So like this we are going to learn. See, irregular adjectives, page number 12. Circle the correct option to complete each sentences. We are dash because of regular exercise. We are dash. நாங்க எதனால ரொம்ப இதா இருக்கோம். Okay, for this simply I can say positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative degree. Positive degree means we can compare two things as equal. Okay வா, ரெண்ட கம்பேர் பண்றோம் ஆனா ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல்ங்கற மாதிரி சொல்றோம். And also we use the basic form of adjective. Basic form of adjective na ipo small na small da எழுதணும். Basic form adjective என்னவோ அதத்தான் positive degree எடுக்கும். Okay, what is the adjectives? Short, tall, okay, high, okay, all the things come for positive degree. Adjective என்னவோ அத அப்படியே எடுக்கிறது தான் positive degree. And comparative degree means we can compare two things. Comparative degree means we can compare two things. இதை விட இது tall, இதை விட இது short, okay, இதை விட இது thin, இதை விட இது big. அப்படி we can compare two things. And also for that comparative degree we add er. See here, we add er. அதுக்கப்புறம் then in the sentence the word than is there. இப்போ ஒரு comparative degree sentence எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா அதில் என்ன இருக்கும்? Than will be there. And next, let me move to the superlative degree. Superlative degree means comparing more than two things, two persons. Okay, இதில் நம்ம ரெண்டு பேரை வச்சு கம்பேர் பண்ணுறோம். Okay, comparing two. Here comparing more than two, which means a group. இந்த கிளாஸ்லே இவன் தான் ஹைட்டு, இந்த கிளாஸ்லே இவன் தான் குட்டை. Okay, இந்த கிளாஸ்லே இவன் தான் thin, இந்த கிளாஸ்லே இவன் தான் big. Like that we are comparing to the group or more than two person. So it is superlative degree. For superlative degree in a sentence we are easily find using this than. இந்த thanங்கிற வேர்டை வச்சு நம்ம ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். It is superlative degree. And in the superlative degree, at the end of the word, which letter is there? EST is there. Okay, it is very easy. Positive degree means it is a base form. Whatever the adjective, it is the positive degree. Comparative degree means it can compare the two things and the adjective end with er and than is used in a sentence. And superlative degree is that adjective word end with est and before that adjective there is the word than. So it is superlative degree. Okay, now see here, we are dash because of regular exercise. What is the answer here? இப்போ அதில் தேனோ இல்லாட்டா தேவோ இருந்தால் we can write healthyனா healthier, healthiest அப்படி மாற்றுவோம். There is no than or that. So which is the answer? It is positive degree. So healthy, healthy is the answer. So tick the word healthy. Next one, my uncle's jokes are dash than. See the word than. thanங்கிற வேர்டு இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, thanங்கிற வேர்டு இருக்கு. இதுக்கு ஒரு 4 ரூல்ஸ் உண்டு. எப்படின்னா இந்த வேர்ட் இந்த பாசிட்டிவ் டிகிரியிலேருந்து கம்பேரிட்டிவ் டிகிரி சூப்பர்லேட்டிவ் டிகிரி ஆகிறதுக்கு ஒரு 4 ரூல்ஸ் உண்டு. என்னென்ன ரூல்ஸ்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஜஸ்ட் இஃப் எண்ட் வித் இ. ஓகே, இஃப் த வேர்ட் நாட் எண்ட் வித் வி இ. ஓகே, விச் மீன்ஸ் வி கேன் டேக் ஸ்மால். ஸ்மால் எல்ல தான் முடிஞ்சிருக்கு, ஈல முடியலை. If the word not end with e, we can add e or est for the comparative and superlative degree. And the second rule, if the word end with e, which means large, we can take large. Okay, e la முடிஞ்சிருக்கா, e la முடிஞ்சிருக்கு அப்படினா we just add or st because already e is here. This is the second rule. And the third rule, y. If the word end with y, okay, if the word adjective word end with y means we want to strike out the y for the comparative and we want to add ier for this iest. Okay va? ஒய்யில் முடிஞ்சால் ஒய் வராது, ஒய்யை எடுத்துகிட்டு ஐஆர் ஐஇஎஸ்டி சேர்க்கணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வி கேன் டேக் ஹாப்பி. ஒய்யில் முடிஞ்சிருக்கா, ஸோ வி கட் டவுன் த ஒய் அண்ட் ரைட் ஹியர் ஐ ரைட். ஓகே, ஹாப்பியர். ஃபார் கம்பேரிட்டிவ் எப்படி வரும்? ஹாப்பியர். ஃபார் சூப்பர்லேட்டிவ் ஹாப்பியஸ்ட். ஓகேவாமா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அண்ட் த ஃபோர்த் ரூல், it is very easy. CVC இப்படி நீ ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிட்டனா ஈஸி. which means consonant, vowel, consonant. what is mean by vowel? A, E, I, O, U. இந்த 5 லெட்டர் தான் vowel. except this 5 letter, all letters are consonants. alphabetல 26 letters are there. yes, except this 5 letter, all the letters are consonants. So consonant, vowel, consonant. Like this the word is coming means the last letter, last consonant is double. Double, which means, let I give example. See, big. You better B. B is a consonant. I. A, E, I, O, U. So I is a vowel. G is a consonant. So how it becomes into comparative degree? See, G twice, double, so big. big double G then ER, then biggest, biggest, here also double, okay, double and we want to add ER, okay, here also double and we want to add EST. This is the base form, okay. Now we are going to learn about the irregular adjective. It is all under regular adjective. We learn in the 3rd standard. I think you forget it, so let I explain it again. Now we move to the irregular adjectives, okay. Irregular adjectives means just opposite to regular adjectives, which means positive degree has one word and comparative degree has another word and the superlative degree has one more word. Okay va? Ipo bad is a adjective. For positive degree we can take that adjective here. Positive degree la bad nu solliruvom. It is for irregular adjective, okay. Bad. If for the comparative degree it change into worse. How? Worse. For the superlative degree, worst. See, there is different words. So it is irregular adjective. Regular adjective means we are just add er, est, then the other kandupidichalam. But if the superlative degree means what will come? Worse, worse. Like this, good. Good is a word. Okay, good means better, best. Okay, like this. Okay, now what, which is we are coming? Yes, second one. My uncle's jokes are dash than. Than word is there. See, than. Than is there. So we want to add er. Yes, er add pananum. Y la end irukku. See, third rule. Y la end ana we want to strike out the Y and we want to add IER. So which is the answer? Funnier. And C. Next one. The last theme was the dash of all. The. See here, the word is here. So we want to add EST. So which is the answer? Smartest. Next one. Tariq is dash than his elder brother. Than word is there. So we want to add ER. So politer. Next one. This is one of the dash test of my life. The dash. The means we want to add EST. So toughest. Okay. See page number 13. You just memory this. This is very important for your life. Okay. This is the basic grammar. So you want to learn it clearly. See here, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Already told. Next one, much or many means more, most. Little, less, least. Old, elder, eldest. Old, elder, eldest. Not elder, eldest. Okay. Old, elder, eldest. Far, further, farther. We can use both. And farthest or furthest. Okay. Now, and also, this is one type of irregular adjective. Okay. This is one type of irregular adjective. It completely changed. Okay. And second type of adjective is we just add more, most. For positive degree as whatever here, if yes, intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective. So we can take it as a positive degree. How the comparative degree becomes more intelligent? How it become change? More intelligent. How the superlative degree becomes change? Yes, most intelligent. Most intelligent. Okay, like this only, brilliant, interesting, all these words come under this second type. First type is completely different. And the second type is we can add more, most. Okay, in the regular verb, regular adjective we can use ER, EST. Likewise, for this second type irregular adjectives, more, most we want to use. Okay. Now see, second one, underline the comparative and superlative forms of irregular adjectives used in the passage below. There is a football match. Okay, come to the second sentence. A better team than ours. Which is the word here? Better. Better is comparative degree. So underline the word better. And the last match with them was the worst. Worst is the superlative degree. So underline the word worst. And the fourth line, farthest. Farthest is the superlative degree. So underline the word farthest. And in the last line, match or lower. Lower, ER is added. So it is comparative. Underline. And our only hope is Dev, who is the best. Best is superlative degree. So underline the word best. And now move to the next one. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in brackets. He says that he has the dash job in the word. Bad is the word. The is here. Okay, with the is used for superlative degree, right? For comparative degree, we can use the word than. As usual as the regular adjective. Okay. For the superlative degree, we use the word the. Here, the is here. So, which is the word come here? Worst. What is the first answer? Worst. And second one, I was the dash student. The is the late. Late means last. Late superlative degree is last. Next one, many. Many, here than is here. Storybooks, than. Than means it is comparative degree. So, we want to write more. Okay. Next. Next one, see, good. Good is the option. Here than. Than is here. So, it is comparative degree. Good means good, better, best. Which is the answer here? Better. And fifth one, entertaining. Okay, this is the word entertaining. See, there is than. What is the word there? Than. So, it is comparative degree. So, entertaining. This type or this type? A second type. So, we want to add more entertaining. More entertaining. Okay, next is sixth one. Far. Far is the option here. So, farther. Next is seventh one. Late. Than is there. Than means it is comparative degree. So, it is later. And the eighth one. Good. Good is the option. The. In front of dash, the is there. Dash ku munnadi the irukku. The vandale enadhu superlative degree. So which is the answer? Best. Good, better, best. So superlative degree is best. And last one, dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous in first type or second type? Second type. So for comparative more, for superlative most. Here than is there. Than means we want to change into comparative degree. So more dangerous. Okay, now next one. Read the sentences and correct the mistakes in the comparative and superlative forms of the adjectives. My sister is eldest. The vanda, eldest vanda correct. But there is no the. Eldest to me by 5 years. So, which is the answer will come? First one, eldest given. Eldest is wrong. We want to write elder. And second one, more interested. Sorry, most interested is given. Before that most, there is no the. The irunda, most interested is right. But there is no the. Than is there. Than word is there. So we want to use more. So cut down and write, what is the word given? Most given, right? Cut down the most and write more. And next, third one, intelligenter. Intelligenter not come. Okay, it is the second type of irregular adjective. So more we want to add, otherwise most we want to add. What is given here? Than is given. Than means second. What is comparative degree? So what is the word come here? Before the intelligent we want to add more. So just add more. Okay, next fourth one, best. Best is given. Best means good, better, best. Best is the superlative degree, but there is no the. The irundha best irundha it is okay. But there is no the, but there is another irukku, than irukku. So it is comparative degree. For best, what is the comparative degree? Better. Strike out the best and write better. And next fifth one, most. Most toys than. Than nale nama enna varum? More. So cut down the most and write more. And sixth one, many. Many number of votes in the election. Many will not come. Most. Most. Okay, next seventh one, last one, further. The further. The further. Which is the answer will come? The is the, so it is superlative, not comparative degree. So strike out that and furthest. We can use this or this. Okay, furthest. Both are right. Okay, next we are moving to order of adjectives. Next one is order of adjectives. Order of adjectives. First we can learn about adjective. Adjective describe about, already I told, color, shape, size, quality. About the nouns or pronouns. Okay, describing a noun or pronoun. And compare two or more than two things. Okay, compare things, place, animals or people. It is the definition of adjective. Now we are going to learn about order of adjectives. What is the order of adjective? Order of adjectives means in one sentence, okay, in one sentence there is lot of adjectives are used. Okay, more than one or two adjectives are used means it is order of adjectives. And also the main rule, the main thing we want to just mind it is, which means the order should not be changed. The order should not be changed. Just it is very important. You can just memory it. Okay, it is very important. Order of adjectives. Okay, first order is numbers. Number. First, what is the first order of adjective? Adjectives of numbers. Numbers means we can know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. Next, second one is adjective of size. It says about the size. Okay. Next one, adjective of age. Next one, adjective of shape or quality. Next one, adjective of color. Next is adjective of material. First one number, second one size, third one age, fourth one shape or quality, and fifth color, and sixth one is material. This is very important. In a sentence, we want to just arrange it in order only. That is the order of adjective. If the sixth thing goes here or anything is change means it is wrong. Okay, so just learn what are the orders. It is very important. This order is don't be changed. Okay, next one we are going to do the exercise. Now take page number 15. Okay, read these sentences carefully and circle the adjectives. We want to read carefully and circle the adjectives. 5 juicy yellow. See, 5 denoted as number. Juicy, juicy it says about the quality, and yellow, yellow is says about the color. So it is in order. See, number, quality, color. அதாவது ஒன்று விட்டு ஒன்று இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, ஆனால் ஆர்டரில் தான் இருக்கணும். ஓகே, இங்கே இருந்து இங்கே இருந்து இங்கே இருந்து அப்படி வரக்கூடாது. இட் ஷுட் பி இன் ஆர்டர். ஓகே, நம்பர்ஸ், குவாலிட்டி, color. 3 things here mentioned. So these are adjectives. So circle 5 juicy yellow. Next one, little cute favorite. Circle the word little cute favorite. And next one, big black. Big black. See, big is the shape, yes, and black is the color. Okay, now next one, big brown. And the next one, small green. What are the words I told you? Circle the word. Small green. Small is a size and green is a color. So it is in order, right? Okay, next one, old beautiful wooden. Next, old nice. Next word, nice intelligent. Next one, lovely blue. Okay, now we learn about the order of adjectives. First one is number, next is size, next is age, next is shape or quality, next color, next one is material. Okay, now see here, when there are 2 or more adjectives of the same group and comma is used and the word and is placed between the last 2 adjectives. A comma is never placed between an adjective and a noun, which means மித்ததுலனா நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு லிஸ்ட் மாதிரி எழுதணும்னா we use comma, yes, but for the adjective we didn't use comma. That is very important rule. First rule, we don't change the what number, we don't change the arrangement, order of the adjective. And second rule is comma will never come. Okay, now let me see the exercise. Second one, page number 17. Take the correct arrangement of the adjectives in the following sentences. Large old steel, which is correct? Large old steel or steel old large? Yes, large old steel is correct. Large is size, old is age, and steel is material. See, size, age, material. அப்படி கரெக்டாக வந்திருக்கு. If steel old large means how we can say? Steel means it is material, old means it is age, large means it is size. So அப்படியே தலைகீழ வருது. தலைகீழ வந்தால் it is wrong. Okay, it should be in order. That is the rule. So first is correct. And second one, see, scary, ancient, ancient, scary, which is right? Ancient is the age and scary, பயப்படுறது, quality. So which is right? Yes, ancient, scary is correct. Next one, creamy, mouth watering, creamy, which is right? Creamy, mouth watering. Like this you want to find from this order of adjective. Next one, brown fears huge, huge fears brown, which is right? Huge fears brown. Next one, paper long, new long paper, which is right? Yes, new long paper. Next one, beautiful, red, beautiful red, which is right? Beautiful red. Next, thick, black, long, thick, black, which is right? Yes, long, thick, black. Second option is right. Next one, rewrite the following sentences by arranging the adjectives in the right order and adding commas where required. All my books are in the dash. All my books are in the cardboard brown new box, which is right here. Yes, brown new box come at the end of the sentence. So it is wrong. Eppadi varanum? New brown cardboard. New is, it is the what it come? Yes, it can say the quality. Okay, and brown is color and cardboard is material. So this order it is coming. So cardboard ku munnadiye new brown vandirnom, adukapram brown new nu vanda it is wrong. So which is the answer? You should write everything. All my books are in the new brown cupboard box. Okay va? New brown cupboard box. Okay, next one. Roshan bought new 5 bright colored sketch pens. How the answer will come? Roshan bought 5 new 5 nu varadu, 5 new. Next one, Kaira wore a red beautiful dress. red beautiful dress. See here, red beautiful will not come, beautiful red dress. Okay, Kaira wore a beautiful red dress. This is the order. Next one, the dark huge mountains looked scary from a distance. How it can be changed? The huge large mountains, huge dark mountain. Okay, not dark huge mountain, huge dark mountain. Change it. Next one, I bought a mobile new shiny phone yesterday. How it can be changed? I bought a new shiny mobile. Okay, new shiny mobile phone yesterday. Next one, I have green two pink ink pens. This is wrong. I have two green ink pens. Two green ink pens. Next one, my sister has a black cat, old big as her pet. How it can be changed? My sister has a big old black cat as her pet. Big old முன்னாடி வந்துரும், old big ன்னு வராது, big old. Okay, next one, because big is the size and old is the age. Age வந்து size வராது, size வந்து தான் age வரணும். Okay, next one, my father bought 12 white sparkling eggs oval. How it can be changed? My father bought 12, அது வரைக்கும் அப்படியே வரும். Next, oval, sparkling and white. Oval, sparkling and white. Next one, Haris is covering himself with a woolen warm big red blanket. How it can be changed? Haris is covering himself with a big warm red woolen blanket. Warm big red வராது, big warm red ன்னு வரும். Okay, next one, mother bought me a blue new denim jacket. How it can be changed? கலருக்கு முன்னாடி தான் குவாலிட்டி வரும். So mother bought me a new blue denim jacket. Okay, next one, correct the incorrect arrangement of adjectives. Now the old saggy big dog white visited the butcher's shop every day. How it can be changed? Yes, arrangement na this order wise we want to write. The big old saggy white dog. Okay va, the big old saggy white dog, next as usual, visited the butcher's shop every day. Okay, now next one, there are many leafy big green banana plants in our garden. Big will come in front, so there are many big leafy green. Okay, as usual write from the sentence. Next one, the Indian flag is saffron green and white. And is not added, already we learned comma will not come, and will be added. So cut down the comma and add and. I saw tiny brown 6 monkeys climbing up on the roof of our house. See, what is the order here? I saw 6 tiny brown monkeys as usual from the line. Okay, next one, a white huge wave crashed upon the seashore. White huge, white is color, huge is size. See, it is from bottom to top, so it is wrong. Top to bottom only we want to write. So a huge is size and white is color. So a huge white wave crashed upon the seashore. Next one, the taxis in Delhi used to be black and just we want to add and yellow before. Okay, you don't put comma, just add and. Next one, the Thar desert is dry and hot. It is correct, so you just write whatever in the sentence. Next one, the sun in the morning looks calm, orange and round. Orange is color, round is shape. Okay, now how we can change it? Yes, The sun in the morning looks calm, round and orange, shape then color. Okay, round and orange. Okay, next one. My grandmother drew an old red black Aston. We don't put comma for this order of adjective, so cut down all the comma and just add and. Where we want to add and? Yes, see, my grandmother drew an old red and black Aston, and and. Okay, next one. Anu brought me a big delicious chocolate cake. These all in order. Yes, big is the size and delicious is the quality and chocolate cake is the material. Okay, so it is an order, so there is nothing wrong, but there is comma, so you just strike out all the commas. Okay, okay, order of adjective, we don't change the order and don't put the comma, and at the last word, in front of the last word we want to add and. I hope you all understand the topic. Thank you, students.